The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m.
Warning. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is no weather.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brockton, Harrison, Loves Park, Chilland, McChesney Park, South Beloit, and Roscoe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.